Having just looked at compound interest, what happens if the periods become shorter? In other words, you compound your interest even more. So we could compound annually, which is once per year. We could compound twice per year, which is semi-annual. We could compound quarterly, which would be n equals 4. We could compound monthly, so n equal 12. We could compound daily, but we could compound instantaneously. So at every instant, if we compound, that is called continuous compounding, and that is essentially letting n approach infinity. If that happens, then we end up with the formula A equals the principal times E, where E is our number that we have discussed up to this point, is about 2.718. And then R is the annual interest rate, and T is the time in years. So here we have Allison again, and she's investing $4,000. So that is our principal. R is our interest rate at 0.03. It's compounded continuously, so that doesn't give us an n, it tells us what formula to use. That's A equals P e to the RT. And then what is T? It's 20 years. So A equals P e to the RT becomes 4,000 E raised to the 0.03 times 20. So let's simplify that exponent. We have 4,000 e to the 0.6. So if we're going to type that into a calculator, we'll type 4,000 times e, which is the second ln, to the 0.6. And so she has $7,288, and if we round, 48 cents. Now, always make sure that this is reasonable. Notice $4,000 invested at 3% is never going to make her $1 million after 20 years. So just be careful, make sure that your answers make sense.